Now, close your eyes and attune yourself to the primordial vibration, the sound of Om. Omkara is the seed of the universe, the first vibration from which all creation unfolds. It is both the sound of consciousness and the essence of the self. The Guru's role in revealing Omkara. The Sadguru is a living conduit of this sound. His teachings and presence guide us to recognize Omkara within. Attuning to Omkara, meditative, focus, let the sound of Omkara, your mind, in stillness, breath, awareness. Sync your breath with the rhythm of Omkara, dissolving the illusion of separation. Inner stillness. In the silence between breaths, Omkaara reveals itself as your